In this tutorial, I'll show you how to convert any video to 4K in HandBrake. By the end, you'll have a 3840 by 2160 4K version of your video exported from HandBrake with the encoder and quality you choose. Save to a folder you specify. First, open HandBrake. You should see the main window with the option to load a source file. Next, click Open Source. Then select the video you want to convert. Confirm your selection to load it. HandBrake will scan the file and display its details at the top, including duration and format. Wait for this to finish before moving on. Now go to the Dimensions tab. This is where you control the size of the output video. You'll see width and height fields along with preview information. We're going to set this to 4K. Set resolution to 3840 by 2160. Type 3840 in the width field and 2160 in the height field, so the output resolution is exactly 4K. This is the standard 4K UHD size and ensures the final video is upscaled properly. If your source has a different aspect ratio, HandBrake will fit it within this resolution. This step converts the frame size. It doesn't add detail from the original, but it prepares the video for 4K delivery. Once that's done, go to the Video tab. This controls the encoding settings for the conversion. Set encoder to either H.264 or H.265. Choose H.264 if you want maximum compatibility with most devices and platforms. Choose H.265 if you prefer smaller file sizes at similar quality. Keeping in mind it usually encodes more slowly and may require newer devices for smooth playback. Click the drop-down and make your selection so it's clearly set. Now adjust quality by setting the RF value between 18 and 22. RF stands for rate factor. Lower numbers mean higher quality and larger files. Higher numbers mean more compression and smaller files. For most projects, 20 is a good balance. If you need it a bit sharper, use 18. If file size matters more, use 22. Click in the RF box and enter your chosen number so it's within the 18 to 22 range. From here, choose your output location. Click Browse near the destination field at the bottom of the window. In the Save dialog, pick the folder where you want the 4K file to go, give the file a clear name, and confirm. Make sure you recognize the path so you can find the finished video later. At this point, everything is set. Click Start Encode. You'll see a progress bar appear at the bottom showing the encoding status. While it runs, avoid closing HandBrake. If you need to step away, let it finish. The time remaining will update as it processes. When the progress bar reaches 100% and the status returns to ready, your 4K conversion is complete. Navigate to the folder you chose, and you'll find the new 3840 by 2160 video encoded with your selected settings, ready to upload, share, or play on a 4K display. Your video has now been successfully converted to 4K in HandBrake using the Dimensions and Video tabs, with the encoder and RF quality you set, and saved to your chosen location. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.